Today we are going to draw the letters V, W and X with some tasty and healthy foods. Get your pencils ready and let's have fun drawing together. First we draw the letter V. Now under it let's draw vanilla. V is for vanilla. Next, we draw the letter W. Now, under it, let's draw a watermelon. W is for watermelon. Watermelon is juicy and sweet. Now we draw the letter X. Under it, let's draw succonosol. X is for succonosol. Now it's time to color. Please color with me. Purple. I'm coloring the letter V. Purple. Yellow. I'm coloring the vanilla. Yellow. Vanilla is sweet and delicious flavor. Yellow. It is often used in ice cream, cakes, and desserts. Brown. It makes treats taste extra yummy. Red. I'm coloring the letter W. Red. Green. I'm coloring the watermelon green.
Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture.
It is full of water, which helps keep our bodies hydrated. Light green. It is perfect fruit for hot days. Orange. I'm coloring the letter X. Orange.
Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Get to my loo, my darling.
Green. I'm coloring the succonosol green. Coconut is type of cactus fruit.
It's true. Found my partner. Love is true.
It comes from Mexico.
It's true. Skip to my Lou, my darling. Lulu. Skip to my Lou. Lulu.
Yellow. It has sour taste and is often used in cooking.
My darling.
Great job, kids! You can also choose your favorite colors. Today we learned that V, vanilla, W, watermelon, X, soconosol. Healthy foods help our bodies grow strong and happy. Let's take a picture. Thanks for drawing with me today. See you next time. Keep drawing, keep learning with